Mother poetry life. Ready?
Children around the world, join hands, sing along.
I'm principal of my primary school, principal of Madran, principal of Bangladesh School. My name is Kanpati Rita and I'm a student.
Children around the world, join hands, every boy and girl.
Sensory at present.
To 27.55 points, an increase of approximately 38%.
19.85 ដល់ 27.40 បន្ទុកដែលជាការកើនឡើងប្រហែល 38%
Today my team and I come to sing a song called Children Around the World.
3, 2, 1. Children around the world, join hands, every boy and girl. We need to love each other, black and white, sister and brother. Children of every day, reach out and take my hand, sing out a song of peace to all humanity. Come spread the word around. Let's all learn each sound. Let's every raise and talk. Sing along, sing along, sing along.
Primary school, principal of Bataran, principal of Bangladesh School, Korean Koika, youth volunteers, and my beloved friends. My name is Kanpati Rita and I'm a student in 5B, representing all the students of primary school in Sayama province. Today I'm very happy and honored to speak at this meeting and say thank you to Koika youth volunteers who have been teaching us. During this time, we could learn many important things by doing various activities and getting to know many new concepts. You have taught us about global citizenship education. We are doing our best to gain knowledge, skills, and try to be better than us yesterday. We sincerely hope Koika will continue this wonderful project in the future to support more students in Cambodia and around the world, helping everyone gain a better understanding of governance and sustainable development. Lastly, I would like to say thank you a lot for having teaching us. Okoncham, Jinsimoro, Kamsatulida, to Koika chairperson guests and all our Khmer and Korean teachers.
បាទអរគុណច្រើន